In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make workflow automation in Pipedrive. Let's walk through it together, step by step, so you can build a reliable automation that saves time and keeps your outreach consistent. Start by logging in to your Pipedrive account. Once you're in, open your profile menu and choose Tools and Apps. From there, go to Automation and add a new automation. Automation in Pipedrive is a set of rules that run tasks for you. Things like sending emails or moving items, so you don't have to do them manually. It keeps your process consistent and reduces busy work. Next, choose an event trigger. A trigger is what starts the automation. Select Lead as the item. That tells Pipedrive this workflow will watch for changes to leads specifically. Choose Added as the trigger type, so the automation fires when a new lead is created. Then click Apply Trigger. Now add an instant condition. Instant conditions act like filters that immediately check if a lead meets your criteria before continuing. Pick a suggested condition and choose Lead Source Is. For this example, select Manually Created. That means the workflow will continue only for leads that were added by hand, not imported or captured from forms. Apply the conditions. Add an if-else condition to branch your logic. This lets you handle different scenarios in one workflow. Select a suggested condition again and choose Lead Source Is, then set it to Deal. This creates a yes path for leads originating from a deal and a no path for everything else. Apply the conditions. Next, add an action. Choose Email and then Send Email. Click Next and Next again to proceed to the setup. For the recipient, select Lead Contact Person Email so the message goes to the primary contact tied to the lead. Fill in the highlighted fields, then type your email subject and body. Make sure the information is accurate, clear, and on brand. Keep the subject concise and the message helpful. Consider referencing the lead's context so it feels personal and relevant. Click Apply Action to save the email step. Add a delay to control timing. A delay pauses the workflow so actions don't happen back to back. Choose one day to give your new lead some breathing room before the next step. Apply the delay. Rename your automation to something descriptive so your team can recognize its purpose at a glance. Finally, click Save to activate your workflow. That's it. You've built a clean, targeted automation in Pipedrive. If you found this helpful, don't forget to subscribe for more.